Hello, I got this camera to unbox. Okay, just received it about a day ago. Okay, but I have not unboxed it because I was doing other things. So we're gonna unbox it now. Okay, we see what it comes with. Okay, we'll cut this open. We're gonna go cut this, and this one here, cut this here, okay, cut this here. Okay, not show you address lah. Okay, not so nice lah. Okay, so now unbox already. This is the camera. This one I bought it is because I need a more dedicated camera for my videos rather than always use other recording devices. So what I have here in the box, I just took out is a packaging material. It comes with a 32 gig. Comes with a 32 gig Blue Series card, okay, for me to use, but it doesn't come with the adapter, unfortunately. But I got no complaints yet. Okay, we see what we get lah. I do not know. It reads about 100 megabytes per second. Okay, so this is the thank you card. Okay, alright, so we keep this aside. We keep this box aside. We keep this one here just for show. Okay, and the camera proper. The camera proper is packed very nice. Okay, no complaint lah. It's very nicely packed. I just want to see what comes with it. Cut it open. Okay, slow and steady. Slow and steady. See how it comes with what. I also don't know lah. I bought this because, like I say, I wanted a more dedicated camera for me to do video. And hopefully, before I open and show my viewers, please give me a like, give me likes and give me give me subscribes. I need subscriptions If you like this video, please like share and subscribe so I can reach my designated figures for YouTube, so at least I can earn some whatever small amount that is available. I ask you all to help out Okay, so this looks pretty sealed. Okay, there's a seal here. Let's open it up and see what it comes with. It comes with a free card. Alright, first of all, this comes with a free card. Then let's see what it comes with. Apart from the free card, let's cut this off. Nicely and gently. I think we will not be able to do any filming. Maybe next round when I really test it out, because I think the battery is flat. It will be I got to charge the battery. Yeah, after charging the battery, then we will do a recording, maybe of my favorite pineapple outside by the road, and see whether it's still there or not. Okay, so now this is what it comes with the camera. Okay, this is basically these are the menu. Alright, these are the menu. I notice this is in Japanese, this is in English. Is it in English? Yeah, it's a digital high definition video camera, so at least I don't need to use my phone so often. Sometimes I use my phone, then I can't do other things already, when I use the phone. Okay, so this comes in a few catalogs, Chinese version, Arabic, yeah, Chinese, Arabic, English. This is in English. It is a multi-language, I think. Malay. This is a Malay version. Okay, Malay version, and so on and so forth. This I will have to go through before I use it. Okay, I got to go through all this before I use it, because if I use it wrongly, then I got to erase it and do again. Let's see what it comes with. This is what I'm interested. It comes with charger head, which is like this, 2-pin. This is a 2-pin charger. It's a 2-pin charger for the battery. Okay, this is the USB charger cable. This is, you plug it this side to the USB charger. I suppose this is to the camera. The camera got a charger. I read the reviews on this camera is good. One thing I like about this camera is it can zoom. It has got a 30x optical zoom, not a digital zoom. It's an optical zoom. That's why I like it. In spite of the fact that it is 30x, it's got a 30x zoom, it's very clear, That's why I like it. I want to see how it works. This is the battery. This is the NP-BX1. Okay, X type. Don't know how long this will last, and I do not know if this one is charged or not. Alright, so it comes with the battery, comes with a charger, because no charger, just the battery only. There's no charger, just the cable. And this is a micro USB head with HDMI. This is a HDMI head. Okay, HDMI. I think this will go into the micro USB for playback on TV. Maybe I'm not sure. I think it is for that purpose. This is for playback on TV. This one is the micro USB head. This is a HDMI head, which I would assume this is the male. This got to be plugged into the female. Okay, which I suspect is on the TV. Okay, this is from the camera. When I look at the camera, I will know, hopefully. Okay, so it comes with this cable, charger. There is no dedicated charger. In other words, you will need to charge it with the phone. I read it. Some people from overseas, they buy it. It comes with a charger, a separate charger. This doesn't come with a charger. In other words, separate charger would mean you can have you can be operating the camera with one battery, okay, and then you can put the other battery into the charger and charge it, okay. Without that special charger, you will need to charge this one inside the camera, okay. That's going to be not so good. That's my opinion, okay. But this is very light. It's like a toy. It's what I read in the review also. It's very, very light. It has got a 9.2 megapixel for photos, okay. 9.2 megapixels for photos. This has got no night shot. No night shot. This one. 60 times clear image zoom. Okay, there is a charger here. Remember, there's a cable here. Right. This is actually nothing very well. I have seen a lot of people buying this, and they are using it. This I like is because this you don't have to have a cap. Normally you will lose the cap. Okay, it's a Carl lens. Okay, wide angle. And what have you got? This is a toggle for the wide angle and a telephoto. That means zoom in and out. Photo for taking photo. This button, I would assume now you take photo, you take this button. Actually, there's nothing else already. A very simple operation one. This one. Power, charge, and what else? That's about it lah. Micro SD, XE, you can use. Lens cover, close, open. Right, that's about all lah. There's nothing. There's a 3/4 inch mounting screw at the bottom for you to mount it on a tripod. I suspect this is made in China lah. Yeah lah, my suspicion is true, because this is made in China. Model HDR CX-405. Okay, this is made in China. So what else? There's nothing. Open this, and you have HDMI out. The HDMI out. Okay, there's nothing actually. HDMI out. Okay, HDMI. What else? It's a micro SD card slot. This is for the micro SD card slot is here. This is for the micro USB, which I showed you earlier just now. This cable. Alright, this little cable here. This cable goes into this one. Okay. The other end goes into your TV, so you can play back. I assume. Not familiar with this, but my instinct tell me is correct. Alright. So that's about all, no? There's nothing else. Don't mind my cats. Cats are a bit restless. They want to come and play with me, but I cannot play with them because I'm doing this unboxing. So basically it's just that only, micro SD here, and that's it. Alright, at the back of this, you open this up. Okay, I suspect this is where it goes in, the battery. Suspect the battery goes in here. Okay, Oh, okay, this goes like that. Press it in, just pull it. Okay, this is where the battery goes in. Okay, and that's about all. There's nothing much to play with, actually. It's a very simple, very simple camera. Very simple camera, where it's a beginner one, beginner camera. And of course, for me, I don't mind because it is within my budget. Okay, let's see which side goes in and which side goes out. This goes in like that. Does it go in like that? Does it enter? No. This way? No. Which end goes in? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. Inside there is a spare battery compartment here, I think, but it doesn't open. This is a compartment for the spare battery. This is a compartment for the spare battery. How do I open this? I don't know. I got to see. Okay. I suspect this battery goes in like that. Okay. Alright. I suspect. And then you close it. Okay. Then you close it, but it's not closing, It's not closed. Nope. It's not closed. So, in other words, the battery is put wrongly. But I see the markers. There's no. This is go in. This doesn't go in. Does it go in? Goes in. But this. Now it sits in. Okay. Correct. Just now it was on the wrong way. The battery cannot go. This side must face you. This side faces you. Goes in. If you put this one in, the other side, okay, it doesn't lock. Okay, it doesn't lock. So this side, you have to face it this way. Look at the word CE. Okay, goes in here, and you clip it in until it locks. There's a little purple button. See, now it locks. The arrow pointing downwards. Then it's in. Now it's flat. Alright, now let's see whether it's on or not. It's on. Good. It's on. It's on. And see, I put in English. It's not moving. In English. It's not moving. It's because I have got to use this. I forgot. I got to use this. Yeah. English. I press. Okay. English. What else? Next. Okay. And what do I do next? Do next. Okay. I must put the country lah. This is Lisbon or London. Where am I? I am somewhere here. I'm in Southeast Asia, so Hong Kong, Singapore, Peking, Tokyo, Seoul, Adelaide, Darwin. No, I'm not there. Nope. No, 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 no. Okay. I should put it here. Hong Kong, Singapore, and Beijing. Maybe I must put it here then. I'm somewhere here, around here. Malaysia. It has got no Malaysia. Okay. So, okay. Why? Okay. Next. Pretty bad lah, my focusing here. Next. Okay. Set to summertime. Yeah. One thing I also like this is because this is a flip screen. That means I can do selfie like that. That means, I don't need to worry about, whether the selfie flips or doesn't flip or whatever. I can do selfie. Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. I don't know what is the quality of the video until I really do some filming. Right now I am not used to the this button here. Set on summertime. Okay. Whether I should do it or I don't know. We don't have winter. Okay, so we are always on summer. Next, set the date and stuff like that. But I want to see the battery. There should be a battery panel that tells me how much of battery I have. But so far doesn't say anything. Okay, never mind. This is rather blur, so it's not going to come out very good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this. We close this. Show the camera as like that. This is supposed to have where it says here. This is a steady shot. It has got 60 times clear zoom. Okay, clear image zoom. The zoom is supposed to be 30 according to the specs. Before buying this, I read reviews and I watched the reviews. This is supposed to be 30 times optical zoom, which is not bad lah. If I use iPhone or I use my Android, the moment I zoom in, okay, maybe 3 times or 5 times, the image is all blurred. So I don't like that. So this is much better, I hope. Okay. Put in a card. I'll do some video, and I will put it up. Okay, for you guys to have a look. Alright, so it's blurred. I don't know why. My setting here is blur. Not so good. Not so good. Anyway, I try to make this as short as possible so that you all will have a film from this video camera. The next one I put on will be from this video camera. This can record AV, CHD, and there's another format. There's 2 formats. Right. For me, this is, for the time being, is good enough because it's according to my budget. I buy according to my budget. Of course, there are other cameras that is much better than this. Okay, but due to my budget, I only can afford this lah. Okay, optical steady shot means it has got what you call ESI. You should have a ESI. Okay, electronic stability sensor, and we see how it goes lah. Okay, so this is the whole set lah. This is the whole set. See, so blur. Why is it so blur? I'm also wondering why is it so blur. That day I take it's very clear, no? Today is very blur. See, I put this one. This is clear. Okay, this is not a SDHC. You should be using actually XC. Should be XC. What he has given me is HC, but the speed is 100 megabyte reading speed. It's a class 10. Class 10, so can use not so very good. Ultimately, I think using the SDXC would be better for video. Much faster, that one. This is the 32 gigabyte. Yeah, for anyone that's interested to know, this camera can take up to 128 gigabyte of memory card. Okay, maximum. How I read it somewhere. I checked it up somewhere. Right? It can take a maximum of 128 gigabyte memory card. It's very light, very light. It's like a toy, but I knew it before I bought it because this is very small actually. You see, if you look at my box cutter, which I used to open the box, you see the box cutter? This is the box cutter I used to open the boxes earlier. This camera from end to end, my box cutter is longer. What a joke, See, from end to end, my box cutter is even longer. Okay, but never mind now. This is just to let you all know how big this camera. It's extremely light. Okay, how the video quality, like I say, I don't know. I will have to take a couple of videos and I will let you know. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching. Alright, and please, before I go, please give me some likes, share out, and subscribe. I need it badly. Need it badly. So help me out. Okay. See you on the next one. And take care. Alright. I hope we get a better subscription in this view. Thank you. See you on the next one.